former President Trump is now defended Donald Trump. Now, this could be the start of a very lengthy legal drama. Now, an arraignment is usually a short legal proceeding, but for Donald Trump, it lasted close to an hour. And in court, he could be seen visibly angry and visibly annoyed.
Cameras captured him entering the courtroom in Lower Manhattan, but that's as far as video cameras were allowed. Still photos were taken before proceedings began, and then a moment for the history books. Defendant Donald Trump seated as he waited for his highly anticipated arraignment. He's been charged with 34 counts of falsifying business records in the first degree, all felonies.
At its core, this case today is one with allegations like so many of our white-collar cases. Allegations that someone lied again and again to protect their interests and evade the laws to which we are all held accountable.
Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg, who Mr. Trump has lashed out at, laying out the prosecution's case, accusing Mr. Trump of a broader scheme to buy and suppress negative stories about him, the alleged payoffs to Stormy Daniels and another woman who said they had affairs with him, and also to a doorman who claimed to have a story about Mr. Trump fathering a child out of wedlock. The motive? To bury stories potentially damaging to his reputation to protect his chances for the 2016 presidency.
He's actually against a person who has a lot of legal power, the Manhattan District Attorney, a lot of resources behind him, who has made some very serious allegations and maybe isn't just a Soros puppet. Maybe actually he's a pretty good prosecutor. So I have to think that might be playing in the back of Trump's mind as well.
Here's what would make hush money payments a felony. Prosecutors say Trump made 34 fraudulent entries in business records to conceal the criminal activity, violating state and federal election laws. His legal team says they're ready for a fight.
If this man's name was not Donald J. Trump, there is no scenario we'd all be here today. Please understand that based on these charges.
Mr. Trump was fingerprinted but not handcuffed and did not have his mugshot taken. He stated his plea loudly, not guilty, and then sat in court visibly angry and frustrated.
He's frustrated because the power is out of his hands, and this is a person whose lifeblood is power.
So there is the court of law and the court of public opinion. How this may affect Mr. Trump politically, that remains to be seen. The next court date has been set for December 4th. And we can expect his attorneys to file multiple motions before then. And as for the start date for a trial, we won't be able to see that before 2024, the height of the presidential election season.